We are here in Bhutan and you can see the Taksang Monastery, also known as the Tiger's Nest. And I'm here to give you 5 things that I love about Bhutan. So number 1 is how they preserve their culture, and you can see the culture everywhere, from the people, the architecture, the beliefs, and everything. So I really love that culture because it feels that you are really in a different world when you come here to Bhutan. So the second thing I like about Bhutan is the many lessons of Buddhism. There are so many stories that you can learn and hear from the teachings of Buddha, and it's very evident in the different temples, chortens, and just everywhere. And it feels like a lot of these lessons can really help you live a peaceful life. The third thing I like about Bhutan is the food, and I'm quite surprised because I can really take their chili. Their chili is lovely, and I have always been given by my tour guide and my driver the local Bhutanese food, which is normally not available in the buffet table. So I really enjoyed eating the beef, the pork, and the Bhutanese potato chili cheese, and or whatever vegetable chili cheese.
A common ingredient that runs through most Bhutanese food is chili peppers. In fact, you can see bright red peppers hanging on windows or drying on roofs. Deemed as the national dish is ema dachi, which is a traditional Bhutanese stew made up of ema or chilies and dachi or cheese. Another version of this is called kewa dachi or potato cheese. My 2 most favorite dishes are noshapa, which is a stew where the beef is cut into bite pieces and cooked very tender that it almost melts in your mouth when you eat it. The second one is the bakshapa, which is a dish made from pork belly, cut into strips and fried with dried red chilies, garlic, and onion. Suja or butter tea has a very interesting taste. It is often served on all social occasions along with samzao or roasted rice. And lastly, I was able to drink arguably Bhutan's favorite alcoholic drink called ara, a spirit distilled from rice, maize, wheat, or barley.
So the fourth thing I like about Bhutan is nature. Like everywhere you go, you see beautiful mountains, fantastic valleys, like gorgeous views of nature. The air is fresh, and it's really lovely to be here and just enjoy what nature has to offer. Seriously, Bhutan, you're so blessed with nature. Breathtaking nature. And the fifth thing that I love about Bhutan is definitely the people. They are so friendly, so warm, so peaceful, calm, and connected. It's really very nice to be able to interact with some of them, and it has been an enjoyable journey over my 6 days here in Bhutan. My heart feels heavy that I'm gonna fly out tomorrow, but I will always remember the people whom I've met here in this lovely country. I'm currently here at Paro for my last 2 nights here in Bhutan. And I'm here to give you some tips in case you want to visit this wonderful kingdom.